Yeah, you're good on this side. Just go straight. Jeez, Raptor. You're good. Yeah.
Good?
Yeah.
This is it, boys. This is the last time you're gonna see it without the big wing on. I'm absolutely geeking out about this car, and especially that we're throwing the wing on. It's gonna look so sick.
This is dope.
Plastic, But see how it's a little scuffed up?
Wang gang.
I hope this wing looks good. You think it look good?
Probably.
Yeah, from like this angle, it looks dope. Look at it from this angle. Sick or what? Sick! So to get this stock wing off, there's a whole bunch of bolts under here, so I'm just gonna undo those bolts and get this wing off.
Drifter.
Drifter? You like this? Bro, I made that, bro.
Say a word.
Yo, did you hear that? Oh, I heard the first. Hello, Risky. Gotta turn the air compressor on. No air. There you go. Put that back. I can put metal in here. I think I gotta go wider actually.
Yeah, go wider.
Cut it off. No, cut it. Put it back later. True. Patch going.
Just get it, man.
And the Bondo's all mixed up.
Yep.
Okay, we're waiting for the Bondo to dry. So I'm just gonna sand it all down and get these little rock chips out. And then we'll be ready for wrap when we wrap it.
Bet.
Yeah, I just picked up the sander too. Got this like a month ago. Yeah, it's a nice one, yeah.
Super nice, right?
Yeah. Canadian Tire Special.
Canadian Tire Special. How much do you spend on it?
I think it was actually like $200. I got. This is just black paint.
But you're gonna wrap it anyway.
Yeah. Just so the bare metal doesn't rust. Yeah, I only need a little bit. Let that dry. I just want to put some wrap on it and double check how much of the Bondo I can see. Grab the squeegee. Okay, it's not that bad. You can see it a little bit. But this is black too, so black has a lot of orange peel. When it's blue, you probably won't see it as much. Not bad though.
Altezza wing on my
Altezza,
street.
dude.
Was it? Altezza.
Oh yeah.
There you go. Done! Schoolboy.
Is that it?
Is it sturdy?
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's sturdy, bro. I ain't going nowhere.
Don't drive behind him.
you're good. Come on, let's go. 3. You're good.
You're good. You're good.
Yeah, you're good on that side. How's that wing look? Yo! I like it. It's hard, yo. What do you guys think of that wing? I like it, yo. It suits it.